Good day, sir. Our topic is the Stirling engine cycle. This presentation will explain how it works, its main parts, and its importance in clean energy systems. A Stirling engine is a closed-cycle heat engine. It uses a fixed amount of gas that's repeatedly heated and cooled to produce mechanical work. It was invented by Robert Stirling in 1860, and is known for being quiet and efficient and low in emissions. The engine works by heating and cooling gas inside the sealed system. When the gas is heated, it expands and pushes a piston. When it's cold, it contracts, pulling the piston back. This cycle repeats, converting thermal energy into mechanical energies.
4 phases of the cycle. First, isothermal expansion. The gas is heated and expand doing works. Second, constant volume heat removal. Gas separated passes through the regenerator and loses heat. Third, isothermal comparison. The gas is cooled and compressed. Constant volume heat. Addition gas passes back through the regenerator and regain heat, then the cycle repeats.
Components of a Stirling engine. The main components are the hot and cold heat exchangers, which provide and remove heat. The displacer piston, which moves gas between the hot and cold areas. The power piston, which is pushed by expanding gas. And the generator, which temporarily stores and reduces heat. Stirling engines are used in submarines for silent running. They are also used in solar power generators, low temperature waste heat recovery, and in cryocoolers for spacecraft and infrared cameras. Advantages and disadvantages. Stirling engines are very efficient, up to 50%. They are quiet, clean, and can use many types of heat sources. But they have disadvantages too, like slow response time and complex design. That's why they are not common in commercial use. Summary. In summary, the Stirling engine works by cyclically heating and cooling a gas. It has 4 key phases and uses components like pistons, heat exchangers, and a regenerator. It's a promising technology for future clean energy applications.